Meaning of fixity.
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 Fixity. Fixity refers to the state of being unchanging or permanent. It implies steadfastness, stability, and consistency. In a digital context, fixity is often used to describe the immutability of data or content, which ensures that it remains the same over time and cannot be altered without detection. Fixity can be achieved through various technical means, such as cryptographic hash functions or digital signatures, which enable data integrity to be verified. The importance of fixity lies in its ability to ensure that information is reliable and trustworthy, which is particularly critical for preservation and archival purposes.